What up, YouTube? We're back with another episode of Hype or Hit.
Today we're going to be checking out Pablo. And Pablo is a Japanese bakery that sells cheese tarts.
Alright then, cheesecake or cheese tart? Cheese tart time.
Alright, initial reactions of Pablo. Walking in, it had a really cool coffee shop vibe. That's my first opinion, I think.
It definitely did it. It looked like a really fancy Starbucks.
It actually did.
Yeah.
It was really nice. Lots of nice chairs, comfy seating, and everything was laid out really nicely. And every single tart that they had was like perfectly laid out, and there was like an imprint on it. It honestly, the presentation was very nice.
Presentation was on point. Like when you initially walk in, you actually sort of go through their baking area, so you can see they're making some fresh tarts right there, and the imprint, I just totally loved it. It made it look so fancy. Like they put this Pablo imprint right in the middle of the cake, and sorry, tart, not cake, tart. And even from the price point, like as soon as you walk in, like, you know, they have this display where they display all the prices and the tarts, and even from the price point, it was very affordable, and yet it looked really fancy and had a really good vibe going for it.
I agree. The only disappointing thing is they do make chocolate tarts, but they were sold out of those, so those would have been really nice to try. But other than that, they did have everything on the menu, and their menu consisted of chocolate tarts, normal tarts, and I think matcha green tarts. So
Matcha green tarts.
pretty simple menu, but presentation was really nice, and it'd be a great place to even just like take your laptop and go study if you wanted to.
Pretty much, it'd be a great place to go study, because honestly, the tart was so light that I think I can finish the whole thing. So it'd be amazing. You grab one and then you study, and then you're good for like 4 or 5 hours. So yeah, great vibe.
Get the goods. Hey, you tried it without me. What the heck?
Oh, my bad. Sorry. Really nice.
Oh my god. So impatient. Okay, really. So what's your opinion?
Well, I'll be honest. This is
Well, it
not.
doesn't matter. My opinion's more important.
Okay. Well, this is not what I expected. It's very custardy. It's almost like the Portuguese
Natas?
natas, right?
Yeah, so actually he's right. This actually is better than, I think it's better than a Japanese cheesecake. It's really custardy and really creamy. It tastes like a nata.
I don't know if it's a cheesecake. It's
It's
a
a nata.
pie.
It's like a giant nata, to be honest. The Portuguese tarts, which are absolutely delicious. So I do like it. I do. I
It's
do
a
much
pie.
better than.
See, this is just custard. All right, then. Now it's time for the final verdict. What do you think?
Overall, the presentation was great. I do think that it had a really cool vibe, but it's not something that I would wait in line for. I do think it's a little hype.
So hype for you?
Hype.
Well, we might have a disagreement here, because I thought, for me, it was really good. I really liked the texture. I really liked the ambiance, and I thought that it just hit the spot for me. So that's what I went in sort of expecting, but then it kind of tasted like better than what I expected. So for me, it's a hit. But I guess we didn't really solve anything for our viewers. So you guys will have to go find out on your own, and let us know. Just write to us and let us know, what do you think, if it's a hype or a hit. Yeta mara cooler, paturo, mapata pura.